Hello teacher, I hope you're okay. In this video, I want to thank you for all the knowledge that you share with us, and I want to answer some of the questions that we have to do with for this task. Well, I want to start with this, and the first one is how will the major concepts from the module impact my teaching practice? Well, it is important to know that to learn something in a classroom and to put it into practice are two different things. I say this because I am working in this and I can see that yes, in the university we learn a lot of things, but when you put it into practice you realize that your student will have so many needs, and you have to cover all of them and know just the basics like grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and all those stuff. So some of the aspects that the aspects that I want to replicate is actually instead of being just a teacher, I want to be a motivator for my students. I'm not telling you that I will share quotes every single class or something like that, but what I want to do is that yes, is to make students to understand that if they commit mistakes, that is quite good, because in that way they are going to learn. So committing mistakes is part of is a it is vital for the development. So what I have to do is that encourage my students to improve, to search the knowledge based on their likes, and basically that. If I had the opportunity to change something or to add something to this module, I would like to say that I would like to develop some skills, for example, empathy, because in a classroom you will realize that there are many people with many different needs, and you have to be very empathetic with them. Also, I want to develop another skill, and this is the something that I want to add is also that teachers must enjoy what they are doing. I mean, some of them are just teaching because they receive a payment, and that is quite good because nobody works in the other way for free or something. But yes, if we have like patience for this, the things will be better. Our students will enjoy our classes. We are going to enjoy them as well. But what we have to do is like to create the rapport, and that is something that I would like to implement in my classes. Another thing that I would like to add to the module for the new generation, for sure, this will be that if we are going to teach English, that would be really awesome. That yes, if we teach grammar, but instead of just giving like instructions and just copy and what else, to create paragraph and to read and things like those, we should be more catchy for students. I always wanted to have a teacher like like the teacher that I have, but when I went to study is that I really hate when I had to do things that I really don't enjoy. For example, reading or writing. It is important to understand that every single student are is different, so we have to catch their attention. For example, we can use realia, we can use the natural method, and that is how actually babies acquire the language, right? For example, if we can use music, movies, series, and things like that to understand something, that would be great, because I would like not to have like classes, but some material that could be helpful for I can learn. So that will be something that I would like to implement for the new generations. I mean, it is great to focus on a lot of material, many things to read and things like those, but yes, if we can do something to catch our students' attentions, that would be great.